To remove negative items from Experian, start by obtaining a copy of your credit report from Experian, which can be done for free once a year from their website. Review your report carefully to identify the negative items you want to dispute, such as late payments, collections, or bankruptcies. Make a list of the negative items, including the account name, date, and amount. Next, gather any relevant documentation that supports your dispute, such as payment receipts, bank statements, or court documents. Now, you can initiate the dispute process by contacting Experian directly. You can do this online, by phone, or by mail. When disputing online, create an account on the Experian website and follow the prompts to submit your dispute. If you prefer to dispute by phone, call the Experian customer service number and provide the required information to the representative. To dispute by mail, write a clear and concise letter stating the account information, the reason for the dispute, and include any supporting documentation. Send the letter to the Experian address listed on their website. After submitting your dispute, Experian will investigate and verify the information with the creditor. If the dispute is found in your favor, the negative item will be removed from your report. If the dispute is not found in your favor, you can request that a statement be added to your report explaining the situation. It is essential to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure the negative items have been removed and to catch any new errors. By following these steps and providing the necessary documentation, you can successfully remove negative items from your Experian credit report and improve your credit score.